Do dash cam work when the car is off? It is a common question for us. When we have dash cam, we eagerly want to know this. Currently, dash cam is an important accessory of a car. We should know its function and use it properly. For safety and insurance claims, dash cam video footage plays a vital role. When the car is off, regular dash cams don't work. Some dash cam models have features that connect to the car battery or fuse box. These types of dash cams can record dash cam footage despite the car is off. It is really important to run dash cams so that we can record video clips properly. Does a dash cam work when the car is off? Do dash cam work when the car is off? It is really important to know us for capturing dash cam footage properly. When the car is on, dash cam record happens continuously. Majority of dash cams get a power source from the car's direct lighter port. As a result, dash cams can active when the car is on. On the other hand, most dash cams can't work when the car is off. To overcome this situation, we need dash cams that offer round-the-clock protection. This type of dash cam has two cameras. Two cameras can capture a full 360-degree around the car. These types of dash cam models have settings that can connect to the car battery. They can continue running even the car is off. We should not worry about car batteries. Car battery will not be depleted overnight. Dash cams will deactivate automatically when the car battery becomes low. We need to set parking mode for continuous running. To install this type of dash cam, we need to spend more than a regular dash cam. We need more dash cam kits to install properly. Does a dash cam work when the car is parked? We need to use dash cam to record video footage when the car is parked. For recording continuously, we need power. We need the power to run dash cam even the car is off and the car is parked. When dash cam has an intelligent parking mode, we can supply power to the dash cam by installing hardwire or from the car's battery. Dash cam works as a parking surveillance camera when we are away from our vehicle. When the dash cam is built-in Wi-Fi with the quality dash cam app, we can enjoy live feed from a remote distance by using the mobile phone app and cloud connectivity. How can we record when my car is off? When the car engine is off, we need to supply power to the dash cam for running continuously. When the engine is off, we can supply power from the car battery. After using a long time, car battery can be flat or depleted. As a result, we need an extra power outlet to run the dash cam smoothly. We can fulfill this demand by using a hardwire kit or an external dash cam battery pack. We can install a battery pack in our car. External battery pack plays a vital role to protect battery-powered dash cam. Hardwire kits help to prevent battery discharge. They provide power to the dash cam for running properly. Definition of parking mode. Parking mode plays an important role to do dash cam works when the car is off. Parking mode is also known as parking surveillance. We can find parking mode in all premium dash cameras. Cams with parking mode provide around-the-clock protection and surveillance for the vehicle. Dash cam's record will not be hampered. As a result, we can get peace of mind. There are many benefits of parking mode. We can use parking mode recording. Clips from parking incidents play a vital role for insurance claims. Working principle of parking mode. Parking mode plays a vital role to solve the ques, do dash cam work when the car engine is off? A dash cam with parking mode is designed to be inactive when the car is parked. Dash cam gets alert for movement or motion but can't record anything to the memory card. Real parking mode helps to know everything when the vehicle is parked. We need to switch from normal recording to parking mode automatically. We need an automatic parking mode. We can deactivate parking mode from the setting. We need hardwire kit, external battery pack, and power cable to run the parking mode. Types of parking mode. There are different types of parking modes on the market. They are motion detection, time-lapse, and impact detection. Motion detection. Dashcam starts automatically when motion is detected. This type of parking mode takes time to start recording. Time-lapse. The time-lapse mode takes 1 frame, 3 frames, or 5 frames per second. It can turn hours of parking videos into a few minutes. We can get a brief idea from this mode. We can adjust the frame rate in the setting. Impact detection. Impact detection is also known as accident detection. When an external force is detected, the G sensor activates the dash cam to start recording automatically. Buffer parking mode definition. Buffer parking mode helps the dashcam to record without writing to the memory card. With the help of buffer parking mode, dashcams can continue recording, but they can't save the footage to the micro SD card. The footage is saved to the dashcam's internal memory as a cache. How long we can record in parking mode? Recording in parking mode depends on various factors. The factors are battery size, battery voltage drop, temperature, micro SD card capacity, the car's surroundings. Dashcams in parking mode can record 8 hours approximately when hardwired. After reaching the voltage cutoff level, the dashcam will shut down to protect our car battery. Advantages of parking mode with cloud. We can use the cloud as backup storage for recording important footage files. We should not worry when the footage is stolen. The footage is stored on the cloud. With the help of the cloud feature, we can enjoy the remote live view from anywhere. Conclusion? Currently, dash cam is an important accessory for vehicles. It really plays a vital role to protect our vehicle and us. When we have dash cams, it is an important issue to know to do dash cam work when the car is off. In this article, I have tried my best to describe the topic. Hopefully, this article will help to remove confusion from our minds.